Hello, just another simple English speaking video to improve my English level and communication skills. And today we'll be discussing some topics that related to my health problems, my psychosomatic, also frustration, depression mode, etc. First thing that I would like to say is that I really appreciate myself that now I'm sitting in front of you and filming this video even in slow English, even if I'm just trying to remember some words or phrases or constructions to speak more fluently or smart. But that's a great practice and a great suggestion that was sent me by the ChatGPT, and I talked to him a lot on this topic, how I can improve my English, how I can just jump through my uh, abilities. He suggested me just film these short speaking videos on a different topics without any specific one, just to speak, just to practice more and feel how I can provide you a monologue. As I said, since I moved to Warsaw, finally, I waited for this for so long, and now when I'm sitting at my room looking outside through the window, I can't actually describe my emotions in the full perspective, because for this time, at this time, I don't even know if this decision was right and what it brings in my life, what it will bring in my life. I'd like to change my life forever, because the last years, when you struggle with the lack of communication and friends, family, or a lovely person once that not around you, that might be challenging for most of the people. And you would say that it's not only the challenging but also damaging for your mental health. And for the last year, I can do nothing. I mean, I can, but when I sit at the table and trying to learn English, some new Polish words or constructions, or read something, or just go for a simple walk, that usually ends up with no results. Everything just circle around my legalization permit, like a permit for the living there in Poland, here in Poland, around the money, of course, around the hated job. I can say also that this job just freaks me out. No, but from a perspective that I work with a bit of strange group of persons that very affect my emotions and overall my mood. I want a big changes in my life. I'm very creative person. I'm very responsible, but there is not enough these skills just to achieve some goals and dreams. So I just want to not to prove, but just make my life a bit happier, just to feel myself a bit inspired, because all of that I just lost when I quit my Instagram, overall socials, and that was a great change when it just starts. But when you lost all the communication nodes, there is no way to feel yourself in a good mood and trying to do something, trying to push up. So yeah, I'm just struggling now with my chronic exhaustion, tiredness, and depression. I'm not actually clinically diagnosed with depression, but for some reason I could say that it's really belongs to me right now. With small steps we can achieve a lot, you know. And I believe that those like short YouTube videos or just for my own archive, those videos can bring a great experience of learning English input mode and also with the output. So I can not only consume those content but also produce, and that's really inspired me. And I believe that when my life will be a bit stable and with the future perspectives, I will return to Instagram and TikTok to continue actually making some content, demonstrate my ideas, my vision on this world, to speak about problems, to write about problems, because I wanted to combine my writing skills, my speaking skills, my creative skills all in one, and just to create something. I don't know what it will be looks like, but this experience should be very useful for me. So thank you all, and I hope you are doing well. So see you in the next video. Bye.